Welcome, welcome, welcome. Desert Just Planning. If you've never been here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. Let's stick together and play with stickers. So, if you have been here before, thank you, and I really appreciate you coming back and supporting my channel, and I'm glad that I can inspire you to plan. Not really plan, to stick some stickers and to hang out with me. So, I have here the hub of what's holding in July currently, because I stick all my stickers down a month in advance, and I find that to be a lot easier, so that I don't have to worry about it. So when it's ready to go ahead and plan all my things, I can go ahead and plan all my things, and I don't have to worry about trying to get my pages decorated in advance. So here we are. We're going into week number 3 for the month of July. I haven't put anything into my actual planner as of yet, but I did pull all my pages. So this is an extension pack. It's undated. I am participating in the HP Stash Challenge over there on Instagram, hosted and created by Creatively Lisa Marie. So you can go down in my description and you can go down to the my Instagram, click that link, and it'll take you over to Instagram, and you can see my page, and then you'll see everything that I have put together. But I am participating in that HP Stash Challenge, so I go to that hashtag and you'll see all of that. If you'd like to participate in it, all you got to do is add the hashtag to your post, and there you go. So HP Stash Challenge. I also am doing a Live Love Posh Stash Challenge. I did that on all my dailies. So all my dailies are completely done for the month of July. So all I got to do is input on what I am doing. So that is done. And I find it best to me, like I said, to set up my planner in advance so I don't have to worry about it. So here's my dates. My dates come from Dates and Holidays Memory Keeping. There's that. This is when school's going to start. But to me, the first week of school is the next week. So I was going to do a school layout. So instead I'm going to pull in the mom sticker books that I have, because that's what I got to get. I got to get into my mom vibes, and I got to make things happen. So being a parent is like folding a fitted sheet. No one really knows how. I kind of agree, and I kind of disagree with that there, because I worked in hospitality for a long time before just being this stay-at-home parent that I am these days. And I'm gonna tell you, housekeeping took a long time to teach me, but I learned. Let's do this. Let's go down here. I did the reminders at the top at the beginning of the month, so let's try the reminders at the bottom. That's crooked. It's just slightly, but ugh! It's like laying tile. If one tile is crooked, it's still crooked. I'm done. Alright, so there's a reminder there. Let's just put a reminder over here, because I don't know if I'm gonna have any more. Okay. Y'all are letting me know I haven't had enough coffee. That's what you're doing. Peeing me off. That's what you're doing. Alright, so that sheet's gone. There's some monthlies. Let's do this. So here's some todays. I'm just gonna go slightly up. We ain't trying to look all, perfect. And then we're gonna note these things. And we're gonna do this on this line so they're not straight. And then we got gold, so we're going to try to stay away from that. Not because it's a bad thing. Mama needs, well, we can't put that in there because if we do that. Do I have a dark one? Yeah. Alright. I don't know. Let's just put... See, I really need some white out, and I'm out. I'm out of white out. I wonder if I could use this little pen and it would work. It's really just the dark line. I just want to get rid of the dark line. And I know that's also the reason why I'm not big on using this extension packet, is because of that dark line. It kind of helped, I guess. Kind of helped. And that's why I'm going to go ahead and use it. Alright. So there's that. I already got this little section going on. I got some of my to-dos down here at the bottom. There's no appointments that are going to be happening. So let's get rid of that. We don't do dinner except in the home section. Let's just do like a weekly checklist, but let's pull in a different color. So let's pull in this one. And then I'm just going to throw some of these down. Noted. Just, again, taking out some of that hardcore blue line. I'm just going to put it up here. Alright. I have a budgeting section, but let's see. Let's do, oh, see, I can't do it because that line's going to show. Alright, go back up here. I love this sticker book. I really do. Alright, let's use some of these blank boxes. Can you see I'm confused? Slightly. Those are like huge. Alright. Let's see, we got noted, we got some don't forget. Oh, Luna just found me. That would be my Shih Tzu. And that's all I got. Unless I want to throw in some of these, I could put the 2 todays down here. I'd show her, but she needs a shaving. She needs a little grooming. That she needs a little grooming. All right. So that'll give me enough space to kind of get some function going on. I think I'm just going to overlap these 2. Yep. Because again, this is a list of things that need to happen throughout the day. Couple of tags here and there. So the list of what happens today and the reminders will go down here at the bottom. So that is Mixed Media Mom. I did not use this one. So here's the 2 kits that I used for this week. And there's that. All right. Here it is. It's the 3rd week in the month of July. In my main section, which is all my main things that are going to happen throughout the week, get listed there. It gets kind of confusing because it can also be in one of my other sections of the planner for the month, but in the main part of it, which is the reason why it's the main section, is because it's more of a bigger catch-all. Again, I'm trying to familiarize myself with this with the Happy Planner, and that is kind of what I am getting my feels for. So here it is, week 3, the week before school starts for us here in New Mexico. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you come back to see how I set up my week 4 when school starts in this section. And until next time, later.